Evelyn's Bakery. Evelyn was an American woman who loved to bake. When she was a little girl, she often baked with her grandma in their cozy kitchen. They made many treats together, and Evelyn gave them to her family and friends. Making people happy made Evelyn happy. After university, Evelyn became a nurse, but she didn't like it. Then she became an English teacher, but she didn't like teaching either. Evelyn tried many jobs, but she was unhappy in all of them. Evelyn wanted to do a job that made her happy. Day and night, she thought about what to do. Evelyn remembered baking with her grandmother and got an idea. She would become a baker. With her dad's help, Evelyn opened a small bakery near her house. She made many delicious things like cookies, cake, pies, and bread. She put love into every treat she made. Soon the bakery became famous. Every time she saw a customer eat a delicious treat and smile, Evelyn smiled too. Evelyn had to work very hard, but her job gave her joy every day. She created a new motto for herself: study and learn as much as you can, but always do what makes you happy.